Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are surviving your first week of distance learning. Just wanted to do a quick video and update. I would like to do a Google Hangout tomorrow. So tomorrow from 10 to 11, I'll put the link on here. I'll put it on the WAG. I'll put it in an email. From 10 to 11, I'll just be kind of here on my computer. I'll have the Google Hangout open. And in case you want to ask questions in person or you're not sure about something, tomorrow from 10 to 11, you can bop in for a minute just to say hi. You can stay and listen to some of the questions. It will be completely up to you. It's not necessary. I'm not doing any kind of attendance. It's just a way to check in if you need it. So we're going to introduce tomorrow to a quick reading thing that we're going to do throughout the next, the 8 weeks that we're in school. So I also want to just make sure I'm there to answer any questions about that. Having said that, I want you guys to all give yourselves a high five. You guys have been doing a really nice job. I've been getting a lot of research articles and information. So the last update was yesterday. It just said, if you haven't, take a look at the slideshow. That's here in the updates. It's also here in materials. So if you need something, it's going to be here in this ILA materials. The reading response one, that's what we're going to talk about tomorrow. But this slideshow has the stuff for the whole week. And you guys have been turning in your topic selections, and you guys have been doing your research article number one. I'm going to link today research article number two, and you're going to do the same thing you did for the first one. So for that first article, you either watched a video or you read something. You enter your name, you enter Zebrowski, you put what hour, same thing, what your topic was, what the title of the article or video was, 3 things you learned, 2 things you found interesting, and the 1 question you have after viewing, and then you submit. I really have been blown away. I thought you guys have done a really nice job with picking topics. I thought your research, your 3-2-1, you guys have answered some really good questions. The topics are interesting. I can see where you're going with your research and what you're thinking about those. So I thought, for someone who's not been in the classroom to get any help with it, you guys have been doing a really nice job. So keep those coming. The 3-2-1 article 2, I'm going to give you this week. It's not due until next week, but in case you are feeling like, hey, I'm into this, I've done article 1, I might as well do article 2, feel free to go ahead and submit that. That isn't you can certainly submit it early, but it will be due next week. So for this week, the stuff that you need to have done so far, or kind of the stuff that you would have been working on, would have been that you look at that slideshow under the folder. So here's the slideshow with the information. Article number 1, you submit. The 3-2-1 article number 2 will be due next week. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the independent reading response, what that's going to look like, where you get books, what kind of books you'll have. I'm also going to be reading a book, and I'll put that up each day. I just didn't want to overwhelm you and give you guys a ton of stuff that first week. So tomorrow from 10 to 11, if you have any questions, I'll have the Google Hangout up and I'll have that link up. Today, I just wanted to check in and say you guys are doing a really nice job. Just keep submitting your article with article 1. And then if you want to, and you're feeling like you're moving along and you feel good about it and you want to do article 2, you can certainly get that done. And then if you do have any questions, I've gotten some emails. Feel free to email me. You can post on the Schoology site to ask any questions that way. But everybody seems to be doing really well. It'll get busier kind of as the trimester goes, but this week we just wanted to make sure that you knew how to use everything and that you're getting started. So if you've turned in your research article, like I said, give yourself a good high five. You've done well. Check in tomorrow to see about the reading, what that's going to look like. And if you have any questions in person, feel free to log into the Google to do that. And then if you haven't done your first research article, that is going to be due on Friday. So take some time to get that done either today, tomorrow, or Friday. All right, go out and enjoy the sunshine today. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.